Chime is not a bank itself, but it provides banking services through partner banks that provide the underlying banking infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll know what Chime actually is, how its accounts work, and what to check before using it as your main banking option. The biggest thing to understand is that Chime is a financial technology company, not a traditional bank. You use the Chime app to manage your account, but the banking services are provided through partner banks. This difference matters because many people use the words bank and banking app as if they mean the same thing. A bank typically holds deposits and manages banking operations, while a financial technology company can provide the app experience and connect users with banking services. Chime offers features designed around everyday money management, including spending and account tools that users access through the mobile app. The exact services available depend on the type of account you have and the current features offered. If you are deciding whether Chime is a good fit, the first thing to check is how you plan to use it. Chime can work well for people who prefer managing money through an app and do not need traditional branch banking. Another thing to consider is that digital banking works differently from a local bank. There may not be physical branches where you can walk in for help, so customer support and app features become more important. Before opening an account, review the current account terms, available features, and any requirements that apply. This helps you understand what services you are getting and how the account fits your financial needs. Chime can be a practical option for people who want mobile-first banking. It may not be the best choice for someone who prefers face-to-face banking, a wide branch network, or traditional bank services. So, is Chime a real bank in 2026? Chime is a real financial service provider, but it is not a bank itself. It provides banking products through partner banks while giving users a digital way to manage their money. The key points are simple. Chime is not a bank, partner banks provide the banking services, and the right choice depends on how you prefer to manage your money. Before switching, compare Chime with your current bank and check the features you actually need. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear banking app comparisons.